What is the output of this Python code? As you can see, we are defining a function using def in Python. The name is eval string demo, and then it has one input argument. And then at the end, we are having a print statement, and we are trying to see and print what the function returned to us if the input is 4. Is it going to be this string, or this string, or this value 24, or this value? So when we enter 4 and we call the function, then the function forms an object named list. That object will be using range 1 to 5, and then that would include this collection of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we are returning eval. So inside eval, we form a new string using joint method. And in join method, you can see that the numbers that we're going to join together using a jointer, which is in the form of this symbol, will one by one call the numbers in this collection and form a string. So for example, for m in list, so it will call 1, form the string of 1, put 1 there, and then we'll join using this. And then next number in the list is 2, so we're going to put it there. And next number, and again joined. And again, next number in the list is 3, so put it there. And again join, so next number in the list is 4. Now this is what is fed into to the eval, and then eval will take this whole string and then evaluate. And when it eval, it will then say it's going to be 1 times 2 times 3 times 4, which means 4 factorial, which is just 24. So the output or the return will be 24. That's the final outcome.